Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins with carefully inspected raw ingredients. Each shipment is checked before entering the production line. Each ingredient is stored under controlled food-grade conditions. The production process starts with purified water. Multiple filtration stages remove impurities from the water. Only purified water moves to syrup production.
Refined sugar dissolves into purified water. This creates the sweet syrup base.
The syrup is filtered for perfect consistency. Only clean syrup continues to the next stage.
Automated systems combine ingredients with precise accuracy. The famous Coca-Cola syrup begins to take shape.
Every batch is tested before production continues. Quality control ensures consistent flavor. The syrup is blended with purified water. The drink is now ready for carbonation. Food-grade carbon dioxide creates Coca-Cola's famous sparkle. The finished beverage is now ready for bottling.
The finished beverage waits in sterile holding tanks. Next, the bottling line begins. Food-grade PET preforms begin their transformation. They're automatically prepared for bottle forming.
Compressed air forms each bottle instantly. Every bottle matches exact Coca-Cola specifications. Every bottle is cooled and inspected. Only perfect bottles continue. Every bottle is cleaned before filling. Sterile conditions protect product quality. The bottles are filled under controlled pressure. This preserves Coca-Cola's signature fizz.
Automatic cappers seal every bottle. Each cap locks in freshness and carbonation.
Every bottle passes an automatic quality inspection. Only perfect bottles continue.
The famous Coca-Cola label is applied. Precision sensors ensure perfect alignment. Each bottle receives a unique production code. Now the finished bottles are ready for packaging.
Finished bottles are organized into retail packs. Automation keeps every group perfectly aligned.
A protective film secures every multi-pack. The packages now move for heat shrinking.
The packaging cools into its final shape. Every pack receives one more inspection. Industrial robots stack the finished products. Every pallet is built with perfect precision.
This pallet is ready to go. Perfect, send it through.
Every pallet receives full traceability. Digital labels track products worldwide.
All right, bring that pallet straight into Bay 3. Confirmed, we'll secure it now.
Millions of Coca-Cola bottles leave the factory every day. The production line never stops. Random samples are tested throughout production. Every bottle must meet Coca-Cola quality standards. Pressure testing guarantees bottle strength. Each bottle is built for safe transportation. Every cap is checked for perfect sealing. Correct torque preserves carbonation and freshness. Advanced vision systems inspect every detail. Only bottles within exact specifications continue. Defective bottles never reach customers. Only approved products continue. Automation organizes thousands of finished products. Every pallet is tracked in real time.
Is the eastern route clear?
Yes, confirmed. I'm scheduling the next outgoing delivery now.
Automated forklifts prepare each shipment. Every pallet is verified before loading. Each shipment is loaded with precision. Secure transport protects every bottle. Every shipment passes one final inspection. From here, Coca-Cola begins its journey to customers around the world. Every production line is cleaned on a strict schedule. Clean equipment ensures food-grade safety. Purified water removes every trace of cleaning solution. The line is now ready for production.
The production line starts once more. Automation keeps every process perfectly synchronized.
Every stage is monitored in real time. Digital controls maximize efficiency and consistency.
Regular maintenance prevents unexpected downtime. Every machine is inspected before problems appear.
Compressed air powers several key production systems. Stable pressure ensures consistent bottle quality. Food-grade carbon dioxide gives Coca-Cola its signature fizz. Continuous monitoring keeps carbonation consistent.
Reliable utilities keep the factory running around the clock. Every system works together to support production.
Smart logistics systems direct every shipment. Each pallet is assigned to its destination automatically. Every truck is loaded with precision. Proper securing protects products during transport. From the factory, Coca-Cola travels across the country. Efficient logistics keep store shelves stocked. Distribution centers prepare products for local markets. Every shipment is tracked from factory to store.
Many PET bottles can be recycled. Recycling helps reduce plastic waste. Bottles are shredded into reusable plastic flakes. The material is prepared for cleaning. Recycled plastic is thoroughly cleaned. Clean material can be used in future production.
Water treatment is an important part of modern manufacturing. Every stage supports responsible factory operations. Modern factories combine efficiency with responsible operations. The journey continues as millions of bottles are produced every day. Automation keeps the production line running around the clock. Every bottle is inspected before leaving the factory.
Robotic systems deliver speed and accuracy. They help maintain consistent production quality.
Every bottle is checked against exact standards. Consistency is maintained throughout production. The finished bottle represents every stage of the manufacturing process. Precision and consistency define the final product. The same production line supports multiple package sizes. Each format is prepared for different customer needs. Advanced logistics connect the factory with customers. Every shipment is tracked from departure to delivery. Technology and skilled workers operate together. Teamwork is essential at every stage.
Every department works together as one system. This is modern beverage manufacturing at full scale.
From carefully selected ingredients to the finished bottle, every step follows a precise manufacturing process. Every shipment is digitally verified before departure. The finished Coca-Cola now begins its journey to customers. An extensive logistics network delivers Coca-Cola worldwide. Multiple transport systems keep products moving efficiently. After a carefully controlled manufacturing process, the product reaches store shelves. Every bottle reflects consistent production standards. Behind every bottle is a highly coordinated manufacturing system. Precision, automation, and quality drive every stage. From purified water and carefully measured ingredients to a perfectly packaged bottle, every step follows a precise manufacturing process.